Hello everyone, I'm Steven from Rongbang Communication. Welcome. Today, I'll introduce our RBTX-400GM fiber optic connector and phase inspection microscope. As you can see, we have many connectors ready for inspection. First, place them all on a flat surface. This lets you clean them all efficiently at once. Your cleaning options include cloth, lint-free wipes, handheld tools, or automated machines. Cleaning quality from lowest to highest is cloth, wipes, handheld tools, and then automatic machines. Cloth seems cost-effective since it's reusable, but we don't recommend it due to contamination risk. For most economical, reliable cleaning, we recommend lint-free wipes. Handheld cleaning tools aren't ideal for high-volume production. For best result, we recommend our automated end-phase cleaning machine. After cleaning, simply insert the connector into the adapter. The end-phase image appears instantly on screen. With proper cleaning, this inspection process is very fast. Just watch the operator's movement. If cleaning was insufficient, re-clean and retest. That concludes our end inspection demo. Questions about this machine, please comment below. Want more videos? Follow us. Ready to purchase? Contact me directly. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.